I'm going to teach you the body squeeze technique that will help you calm down in just minutes, and it's super easy to follow. This technique is a simple yet effective method to calm down quickly, setting the stage for its benefits. Many of us have been there, feeling overwhelmed by anxiety or stress and not knowing how to manage it. Our minds are racing, our hearts are pounding, and we just can't seem to relax. We might try to distract ourselves with TV or social media, but the anxiety still lingers. We might even try to talk to friends or family about what's bothering us, but sometimes that's just not enough. Sometimes we need something more, something that can help us calm down in the moment. That's where the body squeeze technique comes in. It's a powerful tool that can help you relax and reduce anxiety. The body squeeze technique is quite simple. You start by squeezing your toes, holding for a few seconds, and then releasing. Then you work your way up your body, squeezing and releasing each muscle group in turn. This can include your feet, calves, thighs, arms, hands, and even your face. As you squeeze and relax each muscle group, focus on the sensation of the muscles contracting, and then relax as you release. This can help to release tension and promote relaxation. The key to the body squeeze technique is to focus on the physical sensations in your body rather than getting caught up in your thoughts. By doing this, you can begin to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Let's continue to squeeze and release our muscles whilst listening to calming sounds.